We got the bonnet wet. Now I recommend, some people start off with a dry bonnet. I recommend wet because it makes it take off the glide real quick, real easy. That way you can't burn the carpet. But we got the bonnet wet, and we're going to clean this living room for video and show y'all some more bonnet cleaning. We had someone email us and say something about they bought an Oreck opener and they tried to do like the dry powder method and it didn't work well for them. It clogged their vacuum up and the thing is we recommend buying Oreck openers and bonnet cleaning. We don't recommend the dry powder method. It's not that we don't believe it works, but you have to really know what you're doing to use that kind of a method, and we don't use it, and so someone apparently was mixed up and thought we recommended it. But we don't. So, we recommend bonnet cleaning, just like I'm doing here. This is a service we recommend, and this is a service we sell to our customers. Now, we apologize if you can't see good. It's kind of dark up here. Out the window, there's a huge tree right in front of the window, and it's blocking off the sun from coming in here real bright. So, making it kind of tough to see everything. Now, if you're trying to get into the carpet cleaning business, I say this in a lot of my videos, but I know there's always new people that see these, but if you want to get in the carpet cleaning business and you can't afford, $5, $10, $20, $30,000, well, here's the deal. These machines are, for under $500, you can have one of these machines, and you can be doing what we're doing right now, and you can be cleaning carpets, and you can throw the machine in the trunk of your car. You don't have to have an expensive 3/4 ton van. You don't even have to have a pickup truck. But you can get right in business and start making money off your friends and neighbors today. We'll put a link at the end of this to Amazon where you can order this straight from our Amazon site if you want to. Not that you got to, but if you want to, we'll make it easy to find. There'll be a link in the description somewhere. So, now, for you who've never seen our videos before, and this is the first time seeing one of these, the way bonnet cleaning works is we have a 1-inch thick cloth bonnet on the bottom of this machine, and as you go over the carpet, it cleans and scrubs the carpet fibers all the way down to the mat. It absorbs all the dirt. You need to vacuum good because it don't pick up big pieces of sand and BBs and stuff like that, but it absorbs all the dirt off the carpet fibers right into the bonnet. And then when you get done, you rinse your bonnet out until all the dirt quits coming out and your bonnet's clean for your next job. But that's how this works. It's actually a method that's been around for probably 60 or 70 years. They've been doing this forever, so it's an old school method and everybody's kind of reverting to it these days. It's becoming the new way. The carpet cleaners are doing a lot of carpet cleaning now. It's low moisture. You don't have a dump issue where you're going to dump your dirty water. There is no dirty water except what you get out in your bonnet at home, and you just run that right down your kitchen sink whenever you're spraying your bonnet clean. Carpets dry about 45 minutes to an hour, maybe a couple hours if you spray them pretty wet. If they're real dirty, you get them a little wetter than normal, but they dry real fast. Some of ours dry in 30 minutes. So, no wet carpets, no wet back stains, because you don't get the